Today we are gonna see that how to write our first Selenium script. So I'll tell you how to think like a automation tester when you're trying to switch from manual to automation. So let's see an example. For example, you have to test a button like we'll go to our website, and here we can check that in this URL you have to check whether this generate button is working or not. So you'll click on this button and check the name is changing or not, the new name is generating or not. So here what we are going to do is we are going to write the steps so that you will know that how to think like an automation tester and relating it with the manual testing. So if you are a manual tester, first thing you will do is to open a browser. Okay, next will be that when suppose you choose Chrome, and when Chrome opens you will type the URL. After going to the URL, you will click on the generate button, and then you will see whether the different name is displaying or not. So these are the 3 steps which we are going to write in a script in automation, and you'll see how it will work. Okay, so first is we'll open this Eclipse. I have already created one class with the name first program. So first thing is you have to set the system property. This is system property is for to set, suppose you are using Chrome browser, so you will set properties for Chrome browser. For IE you will set IE browser's property, and likewise for Firefox. So the second part is it will be the path of your driver exe. Okay, next is you'll launch your browser. So to launch your browser, you will write the launching browsing script, and that you will have to write web driver is equals to new Chrome driver. Now you can see that there is a red line. This error is nothing but it is telling you to import the web driver here. So you'll import, and this you can see the red lines are gone. Similarly for this you have to import this property. It's done, all the errors are gone. Now you can see the next step was, now you have launched the browser. Next is to type URL. So to type URL you have to give instruction to the driver to open that URL. So this is the command, this is the script, driver.get. The first one, and here you will give the URL. So what's your URL? You just go copy the URL and simply paste it here. So this is the URL. Now what is the next step? Next step is to click on generate button. So you will now tell your driver to go and click that button. So to click this button you should know where exactly this button is in this web page, and to know that you have to inspect element. With the help of inspect element and locator you will find certain things. So you must be knowing about the locator. We'll be using ID locator here. So we'll just copy this ID and we'll ask the driver to find that element by its ID. So yes, we know the ID, we'll give the ID, and then we'll tell it to click on that particular button. So here we have written all our all these steps which we had to write the script. So yes, we have opened the browser, typed the URL and clicked on the generate button, and then we'll close that browser. To close that browser, we'll tell our driver to simply close that. Driver dot close. Now I'll save this and we'll run this script. Let's see what happens. So this started executing. Now you can see the Chrome has launched. It's just taking time. Yes, Chrome has launched. The URL is there. Now you can see that the page is loading and the name here is James. If we'll click on generate button, the name will automatically change and the Chrome browser will get closed. So let's wait for a second. Yes, it is loading. Now we'll see the change in the name. That means the generate button has been clicked. It sometimes take loading time is more, so we can also use one more line of code to tell our driver that wait for this much second or this much minute so that it properly works. In our case, it will load, generate button will get clicked, and then yes, it is clicked. Now you can see the name has changed from James to Robe, and now this Chrome browser will get closed automatically. So yes, the code has run successfully. Thanks for watching.